Up in the left, up in the right, down in the left, down in the right.
Okay, pag toothbrush, ana daw, ana. Tara, sayo. Good evening.
Every night I greet every person of you. I receive such a blessing because I see your beautiful smiles.
Kada gabi, bati una ko ang dakong kalipay, kamakita na ko ninyong nindot o gwapa kay nga pahiyaw na binang translator.
And like on this picture, you can see the beautiful smiles too.
O inyong makita diri sa picture nga nindot kay ilang mga pahiyaw.
And today I want to talk about the importance of brushing teeth.
O karon atong isgutan kung unsa kamahinungdanon ang pagtutbrush.
So you can continue to have beautiful smiles.
Pero ipadayon ang inyong pangisig. Ay gibukto ah.
So what happens when you brush your teeth?
Unsay mahitabo sa imuhang ngipon kung imuhan ng brasan?
So when you don't brush your teeth, the bacteria eats your leftovers from your food, from your lunch.
O kung dili day ka mo toothbrush, kadtong nabilin nga mga keke ba? Bakterya mautoy mo kot-kot sa imuhang ngipon.
And after 4 to 12 hours, plaque builds up.
O dili ka mag-toothbrush sulod sa 4 to 12 ka oras,
it's like a second layer on your teeth.
okay, bubaga gini mong keke.
And the bacteria that comes into your mouth can weaken your teeth.
O ang baon na ginuna ko ganina ang bakterya mo ni mo gawas dayon, mo gawas ang mga bakterya kay naano may mga keke nga yung kutkuton.
It can happen that you will become pain in your teeth.
Maunang magsakit ang inyong ngipon.
So it will be difficult to eat your food.
Maunang lisod kayo nga mo kit-kit mo og pagkaon kay sakit naman dali ng ngipon.
And then you have to go to the doctor.
Maunang moadto dayon ka sa doktor.
And we don't want to go to the doctor.
Pero di pa kita ganahan moadto sa doktor.
So how often do we need to brush your teeth?
Pardon?
How often do you need to brush your teeth?
Pila man ka bisis ka mag-toothbrush sa kadlaw? How many times? 3 times.
3, okay. In Germany, our doctors say it's only necessary for 2 times, but 3 times is even better.
Okay, ingon sa doktor, pwede ra ang duha. Pero og tuluhon mo mas layo.
So you brush it twice a day, in the morning, before or after your breakfast, and in the evening when you finish your dinner.
Ang pagtutbrush ingani daw, buntag magpili ra ka sa dili pa ka mamahaw, human ka mamahaw, isa. Unya pagkagabi human siguro, di man siguro ni before ka mukaon, inaagi hapon kay nimo na. After nimo sa imong panihapon, toothbrush ka, unang duha.
And when you brush your teeth, you need to brush them at least for 2 minutes.
Pag mag-toothbrush gani ka, duha ka minutos. Ihapan gani mo ka, isahay man gud segundo ra uban. Duha ka minutos.
A grown human has 32 teeth.
Ang tao daw na ay 32 ka mga ngipon.
So it's very important to clean them very good.
Mo na kinahanglanon gyud nga ato gini toothbrushan umayo.
And you have to brush your tongue.
O ayaw gyud kalimti ang tang kay bisag unsahon nimo mindot ang imong ngipon, ang imong dila diha magpuyong bakterya man ang kinahanglan sa toothbrushan, apil ang dila.
Because even on your tongue there can be bacteria from your food, from your drink, from the sweets you're eating all day.
Sama sa akong gingon nila, ang bakterya man gugpuyo diri sa dila. Kinahanglanon kayo nga apil gid atong dila.
So here are 2 pictures from 2 tongues.
Naay duha ka klase diri nga dila, hanap ang inyong diri.
Can you tell which one is the clean one and which one is the dirty one?
Pwede ba ninyo iingon karon kagabion kung kinsa diha ang limpyo ug ang hugaw?
Right side.
Right side ang the right side is clean.
Yes, that's correct. The right side is clean. So when you're brushing your teeth, don't forget the tongue.
Mag-toothbrush yun tayo, ikalimtang dila.
And here are some introductions of how to brush your teeth.
Karon tudluan mo na mo kung unsa ang proper nga pag-toothbrush sa tong ipon.
You have to have circle movements.
Okay, palingin.
Yes, like this. And it's important to clean them from the inside of your mouth.
Okay. Inside.
And now I hope I will continue seeing your beautiful smiles with your beautiful teeth tomorrow.
Unta daw nga ipadayon ninyo ang inyong hangisi nga bisag gilo na siya, puti na siya, green pa man sa brown, ipadayon daw inyong isi.
God bless.
Ang Ginoo magpanalangin kanatong tanan. Can you say amen?